Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So this is the latest update of Pundi X to what's the price is increased now or fails down, and what's the prediction to upcoming days Pundi X moves up or fails down. Yes, absolutely. If you subscribe this channel, then absolutely you cannot lost. I give you a guarantee, my friend. To you, if you touch with us, then absolutely I cannot lost you, my friend. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification, because this channel is guide you every critical situation. My friend, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. This is the current change. You can see here, very badly falls down, minus 0.23% they falls down in the last 1 hour. But definitely, my friend, the price is increased now, especially in the start of month. Every cryptocurrencies falls down, so definitely Pundi X is also fails down, but my friend, they cannot lose like all cryptocurrencies, my friend. Especially Dogecoin is one of the viral coin this time in the crypto market. They fails down completely very fastly, but this time you can see the Pundi X cannot fails down more and more. You can see here they fails down very small. You can see they cannot take a very big fails, my friend. Minus 0.23% they fails down, so this is not a big dump, my friend. This is a short dump, but after this they absolutely take a very good dump. So absolutely the good time is coming soon, my friend, and this time you can see they again fails down. So absolutely all cryptocurrencies fails down after a jump. They fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. They're moving and this circulation to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So this time absolutely, my friend, they fails down, but I hope, my friend, in the coming time they absolutely take a very good jump. So the good time is coming soon. Kindly all Pundi X holder, I told you, please hold it, don't sell it. If you are hold this time, then you cannot lose. The price is increased now in upcoming days. At the end, especially, my friend, the price is going very fastly increase. So definitely if they hit $5 at the end of this month, then they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video. I update you every time, every hour, so you just keep touch with us. Press bell icon for very latest urgent updates. Thanks for watching, Pundi X holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.